Good morning, everyone. Today is race day, and we're heading out to Greek, New York, and hopefully we get there within 3 hours. Hopefully, but it takes us like 3 hours to get there. All right, we'll see you up there in Greek Peak. All right, peace. We are back. We've been driving for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and we are currently in the state of Pennsylvania.
Say that again?
Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania.
No, it's like, it's Pennsylvania.
It's more like Hotel Transylvania. But anyway, yeah, we're in the state of Pennsylvania, and after that we're going back to the state of New York.
We are not going back to New York after that.
No, in the state of New York, not to the city of New York, but the state of New York. It's already 11 o'clock. It's already 11 o'clock, and we finally made it to Greek Peak. We drove for at least 3 and a half hours, and we went from New York to Pennsylvania, and then we went back to New York. Well, the state of New York to the state of Pennsylvania and back to the state of New York. And now we're in Cortland, and we are preparing for our Spartan race. It's gonna be a sprint, which would be a 3 mile or 3.5.
A little bit over.
Yeah, over a little bit of
A little over a 5K.
Okay, there we go. All right, we gotta prepare and get ready for this race. I feel so competitive right now. What's up, everyone? It's me again. We are driving somewhere. It's a secret right now, but
It's not a secret.
we're driving.
It's not a secret.
Haven't been there.
And
Have you?
I've not been there.
Have you been there?
Well, what's the secret place that we're going to?
I don't know.
Or can you give me an idea?
Water.
Water?
Something very iconic.
So, okay, but I don't want to get into too much because I don't want this video to be long. But isn't that something gonna be cool, awesome to see?
Yeah, of course.
So probably not. No, I have not been to this water that's iconic and it's awesome. So it'll be my first time if we go.
All right. So we'll keep you posted maybe later on today, and we'll see what happens. It would be awesome. Woohoo! Yeah! Alright, so we're here at Junius Pond. Junius Pond.
Genius Pond?
We're trying to check this out. This is a rest stop in the East Coast. There's nothing like California. And they also have this for entertainment. Cool.
Hey, anyways, so 69 miles left and to the destination. What were you asking? How long?
How long have you been? How long have I been driving?
So
How long have we been traveling? There you go.
Well, to answer his first question, how long has he been driving? He's been driving for about 2 hours and 40 minutes. I'm just a innocent bystander that has no clue about what we're doing here. But now on a we aspect, we have both been driving for an hour or 2 hours and 40 minutes. Hey, do you like my attitude?
Yeah, sure. Why not? I'll take it.
She's out there.
I'll take it. An hour more to go, and we'll reach our destination. All right, we'll see you there. Woohoo! You'll be surprised where we're going. This is a crazy adventure.
And we just arrived here at the 3-hour destination that we just decided to go to, which is the Niagara Falls. Niagara Falls. It's cold out here. It's 34 degrees Fahrenheit and more or less like 1 degree Celsius. It's been a long day, but we're still down to do some adventure right now. So we are going to go and we're going to inside to see the Niagara Falls for ourselves. And yeah, let's go. Let's go. Oh, sorry. Let's just go. We are just here for an adventure and we're just bringing this one.
Oh, that was a fun adventure, just seeing the Niagara Falls, right?
Yes.
So right now it's really cold, so what we need is coffee.
And what better place to start that off with?
Hey, wait. Have you... Well, we have Starbucks. I know there's Starbucks that maybe coffee bean, but I want to try something else though.
What about Dunkin' Donuts?
Nah, I don't like Dunkin' Donuts. Hey! What's that coffee thing in Toronto that's very, or in Canada that's very popular? That's a Tim something.
You mean Tim Hortons?
Oh, there you go. Yeah, Tim Hortons. So
I don't know. I hope so. What do you...
Okay, you know what? Let's just wing it. Let's just get this Tim Hortons thing, and we'll see if we can get into Canada.
Just to get coffee.
Just to get coffee. Exactly.
Life is all about coffee, apparently.
Right.
I'm still...
Well, the thing is, there's Tim Hortons in the United States. There's one near, it's called a Thruway. It's not a freeway, but Thruway. So there's a rest stop that had Dunkin' Donuts and Tim Hortons, but it's better if we do it in Canada, right? Because it's from Canada.
Exactly. I totally agree. Sorry, I'm a little cold.
I know he's cold. Yeah, it's really cold outside. Alright, so let's get this adventure on, right? And let's see if we can get in.
And as we always say, adventure is out there.
Whew, that was nerve-wracking. Being interrogated by the Border Patrol officer. But welcome to Canada. We finally made it. that was crazy. So we basically just winged this adventure, and we're not just traveling from state to state, but also country to country. We are finally here. Woo.
So Tim Hortons has this thing that's going on right now. Win or so win, you can win a Jeep, prepaid cards, sports check. I don't know what else you can win, but let's see how this goes. It's easier. Roll it up like that.
No. It's just a bunch of numbers.
Unless.
Alright, so let's play again. Dang it. Oh no, no. Oh shucks. Oh. Oh. That's pretty scary.